Hi, this is Ben Osborne with Thermoscientific, and this video is on getting started with the Proteome Discover 1.4 daemon. First of all, I'm going to get the daemon started here and maximize it so we can see it very well. And you'll notice here from the front menu that this is a very simple kind of setup where we have 3 tabs: Start Jobs, Configuration, and Job Queue. First of all, I'm going to start with Configuration. And if I'm using a daemon on the same computer where Proteome Discover 1.4 is installed, the host here is simply this, localhost with no spaces. And that way the daemon is going to be operating Proteome Discover 1.4 on this computer. Now, if I am operating the daemon remotely where Proteome Discover is installed on another computer on the network, I am going to need the name of this computer. Now, the naming conventions may change from network to network depending on the configuration, but I'm using the Windows 7 Home Group network, and all I need for that is the name of that computer and hit apply. And now I'm configured to that instance of Proteome Discover on that remote computer. But for now, I'm just going to use the local host because that is where the workflows that I want are currently located. So now that I am configured to the instance of Proteome Discover that I want to be, I can start jobs or use workflows that have been developed for this instance of Proteome Discover. Going to the Job Queue menu, we'll just open the job queue of Proteome Discover that is running that I am networked to. So this is just my local instance of Proteome Discover and the job queue for it there. Now for starting the jobs, just pull down a workflow that I want. In this case, I'm just going to open a workflow, Human Sequest QE with Percolator, and I'm going to add some files here. I'm going to add some files, pull up this HeLa digest that was ran 3 times, and open those. Now, unlike in the main menu of the Proteome Discover workflow, if where I am limited to if I open 3 data files together, they are always mud-pitted together, the daemon has what we can see here is batch processing. So I can set this to go ahead and run the first file against this workflow, complete that, then start the next file as run against this workflow, complete it, and then go on to the third. Or I can select it and say that these were all replicates of the same data set, mud pit them all together into one single file. And really, this is the big benefit here of the daemon, is that you can do this batch processing rather than going into Discover and modifying a workflow 50 times because you have 50 fractions. Here we can just batch process these, and once you have them together, all you have to do is hit start, and these will be added after a bit of time to your job queue. Refresh that, and now these are added and are batched. And really, that's all there is to using the Proteome Discover 1.4 daemon. And as always, if you have any questions, you should check Planet Orbitrap or the BRIMS software portal. Thanks. Bye.